Have you ever wondered why you suddenly start getting strange phone calls? Or ads that seem to know your phone number as if it's right in front of them? The real shock is that your phone itself might be allowing this through a default setting that most people have never even touched. Just stay with me for 1 minute, and you'll stop any app or website from accessing your number without your permission. Step 1. Stop sharing your phone number with apps. The first thing we'll do is close this big door. Open your phone's settings. Scroll down until you find Google. Tap on All Services. Look for an option called Phone Number Sharing. This setting allows Google to share your phone number with third-party apps when they request it. Turn it off immediately. This way, your number won't be shared with any app behind your back. Step 2. Stop websites from accessing your number in Chrome. Even while browsing, your number might be saved. Open Google Chrome. Tap on the 3 dots. Go to Settings. Select Addresses and More. You'll find an option called Save and Fill Addresses. This feature allows any website to access the phone number saved in your browser. Turn it off and keep your data safe. Step 3. Review app permissions. Some apps request permission to access your contacts, which means your number and your friends' numbers too. Open Settings. In the search bar, type Permission Manager. Tap on Contacts. You'll see a list of apps that have access to your contacts. Ask yourself one simple question. Does this app really need access to my contacts? Select the app. Choose Don't Allow. Repeat this step for any app you don't trust. Step 4. Disable Call Log Permission. This one is more dangerous than you think. Go back to Permission Manager. Select Call Logs. Any app here can see your call history and phone numbers. If the app isn't essential for calling, turn the permission off immediately. Why are these steps important? They prevent annoying advertising calls. They reduce data leakage. They protect you from scams and fraud. They help maintain your privacy. And if you remove a permission from an app that actually needs it, no problem. It will ask for permission again when it needs it, and then you can decide for yourself. In the end, privacy is not a button. Privacy is a decision. If these steps helped you, hit like so others can see them, and tell me in a comment which app surprised you the most by having permissions. And don't forget to subscribe so every hidden setting reaches you before it reaches your data.